Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into what could be DJI's most advanced mini drone, yet the much-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. From upgraded battery life to potential game-changing camera features, there's a lot to unpack. Let's explore every juicy leak, rumor, and insider scoop that's been flying around the internet lately. DJI Mini 5 Pro, the next big leap in compact drone technology. Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room, the DJI Mini 5 Pro battery upgrade. This single enhancement could redefine the way we look at ultra-portable drones. If the leaks are to be believed, the upcoming drone could boast an incredible flight time of up to 50 minutes. That's a massive leap from the DJI Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute runtime. For drone enthusiasts, that's more than just a spec bump. It means longer shoots, fewer battery swaps, and a smoother workflow for content creators and professionals alike. And it's not just about endurance. Reports are suggesting faster battery charging capabilities, possibly with USB-C PD support, reducing downtime between flights. If that turns out to be true, DJI is clearly listening to its community and pushing forward with features users have been demanding. Leaked footage and new interface hints. Now let's talk about what's been circulating on forums and YouTube. A leaked video that's, well, let's just say it's more pixelated than useful. It's classic early leak material, shaky, blurry, and barely viewable. But within this fuzzy chaos lies something intriguing. A still image taken from the supposed Mini 5 Pro interface reveals a stunning shot of a waterfall crashing over a cliff, complete with full on-screen telemetry data and flight HUD. The displayed settings are telling: 4K resolution at 30 FPS, f1.7 aperture, ISO 110, and 1320 shutter speed in broad daylight. This setup screams high dynamic range and precise light control, likely pointing to a 1-inch sensor or a slightly smaller sensor with advanced processing. What's exciting here is that the f1.7 aperture matches the Mini 4 Pro's camera, suggesting one of two things: either DJI is recycling their previous camera tech as a prototype placeholder, or they're refining the sensor to handle even brighter scenes while preserving clarity and highlight details. The key improvement could be found in low-light performance, something many drone pilots crave for dusk and dawn shots. Major camera upgrades expected: 4K 60 FPS HDR, D-Log-M, HLG, and more. Here's where it gets really exciting. Multiple sources are now pointing to 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR capabilities. That's right. Buttery smooth footage paired with high dynamic range could become standard on the Mini 5 Pro. This would be a major step up from the Mini 4 Pro, which capped HDR recording at 30 FPS. With the addition of D-Log-M and HLG profiles, users could enjoy more color grading flexibility and cinematic footage straight out of the camera. Whether you're filming nature landscapes, real estate flyovers, or action sports, these features could offer unmatched creative control in a drone this size. Possible sensor overhaul and enhanced visuals. Several leaks also hint at a brand new image sensor, possibly engineered for superior performance in complex lighting conditions. DJI may be leaning into dual native ISO, a feature common in high-end cameras, to boost image quality without introducing noise. Enhanced vertical video capabilities are also expected, a crucial upgrade for content creators who target platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. DJI seems to be embracing the vertical-first video trend, ensuring that the Mini 5 Pro isn't just for filmmakers and vloggers, but also for influencers and casual users who want their content to look pro-level. With minimal effort. Built-in audio, LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, and new sensors in another twist, DJI could be introducing built-in audio recording. While this may not be a high-end mic meant for professional audio capture, it could be useful for syncing field audio or narrating shots on the go. But one of the most jaw-dropping rumors? Advanced LiDAR integration for obstacle avoidance. The Mini 5 Pro may come with dual front-facing wide-angle cameras and multiple LiDAR modules, making it smarter and safer in complex environments like forests or urban canyons. This would push DJI's obstacle detection to a new level, perhaps even rivaling the capabilities found in the larger Air and Mavic series. Extended transmission range, up to 25 kilometers. If you thought 10-15 kilometer video transmission was impressive, brace. Yourself leaks now suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could offer video transmission up to 25 kilometers under ideal conditions. That's potentially record-breaking for a sub-250G drone and implies an evolution of OcuSync technology, likely O4 or newer. Of course, local regulations will limit how far you can legally fly, but this upgrade speaks volumes about DJI's commitment to reliability, signal stability, and long-range performance. Compact, lightweight, and travel-ready. While we haven't seen any official dimensions, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to remain under the 250G weight limit, ensuring it stays compliant with regulations. In most countries, that means no FAA registration required in the US, and fewer restrictions for travelers and hobbyists abroad. Expect foldable arms, quick swap batteries, and possibly a redesigned remote controller, perhaps with integrated screen support like the RCN2 or even a pro-level option. Likely launch timeline, September 2025 at IFA Berlin. When will we see it? If DJI follows their usual pattern, and if the leaks are accurate, the official reveal could happen around September 5, 2025, possibly during the IFA Tech Expo in Berlin. DJI has used this event before for major announcements, and the timing lines up with their fall release cycles. Final thoughts: is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth the wait? All signs point to the DJI Mini 5 Pro being the ultimate evolution in portable drone filmmaking. It's shaping up to be the perfect mix of power, performance, and portability. With potential 60 FPS HDR video, larger sensor tech, incredible battery life, and next-gen obstacle sensing, it's clear that DJI is targeting not just hobbyists, but serious creators who want professional quality without the bulk.